Dear viewers, today now we are going to discuss about structure and life history of an Equisetum. So, generally the Equisetum, it is a pteridophytic group. Pteridophytes mean this is the first land plants. Here terris means coil, phytes means plants. Which is the plants we are looking in a coil type, we call that is in pteridophytes. So, generally the pteridophytes, it is a four classes is there. So, now we are going to detail explain about the life history of an Equisetums. So, now you see here the subject expert, now Dr. T. Srinivas is a associate professor and is working in head department of botany in SRR Government Degree College. He will explain. Sir, here what is the meaning of Equisetum? So, what is the special names of an Equisetum? Sir, where we are looking in Equisetums? So, what is the life histories of an Equisetum and reproduction systems? Sir, please explain, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Today we discuss about structure and life history of Equisetum. And so coming to the, it is classification. It is under division of Pteridophyta and class Spinopsida. So, Equisetails order and Equisetaceae family and Equisetum genus. So this is the plant. So, generally the in Pteridophyta the plant body is in sporophyte, and this is also the plant showing root, stem, leaves and fertile and sterile branches, and this is the natural plant. So this is the fertile and sterile branches, and yes, coming to the occurrence and distribution. So, commonly known as the horsetails, some scoring rushes or even sometimes called as snake plants also. The Equisetum are generally grow in wet or damp habitats and particularly common along with banks of streams and irrigation canals. So, in this species, in this genera, about 25 species are distributed all over the world except Australia and New Zealand. So, the common species are the Equisetum debile, Equisetum diffusum and arvens and racemosism like this. And in Indian species Equisetum are found, so growing on a water dam, and these plants are so generally prefer to grow on wet areas.
Sir, here we are saying the pteridophytic plant, that is in botanical snakes. Generally these plants can be divided in three categories.
Yes.
So, one it is in root, second is stem and
leaves.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Please.
So, we will see the external morphology.
Yes.
So, from roots.
Yes.
So, here the roots are adventitious types,
okay,
and they are the very small and branched and slender, and here and there tubers also found, they are the tubers. So, these are help in the vegetative reproduction. So, coming to the stem. So, here stem is two types, one is creeping rhizome, okay, and it is also divided into nodes and internodes, and aerial branches are there. They are the two types, one is sterile and one is fertile.
Yes.
Here,
here one is sterile branch is there, second is a fertile branch.
Fertile branches there.
Sir, how can we recognize it? Sir, which one is a fertile branches, which one is a
generally the fertile branches are terminal, they have strobilus,
yes,
and they are unbranched,
okay,
and they are clearly distinguished into nodes and internodes,
yes, which is the contain of strobilus, we call that is in fertile
branches.
Okay, sir.
So, and another is they are the non-green, and whereas in sterile branches, so at the nodal region we have scaly leaves, and this is green in color. Generally we easily identify with this character. So, these are the fertile and another is sterile,
non-fertile branches,
non-fertile or sterile.
Okay,
sir. So, these are the coming to the leaves. The leaves are very small and scaly, and these sterile branches containing these leaves, and the small, simple and single vened structure, these are the, and they are generally they are protective layer than the photosynthetic function. So they are not in photosynthetic function, just they are in the protective layer for the emerging buds. Okay. So these are the leaf structure. And coming to the internal structure.
Sir, here you see, sir, these are all the plants are contained in silica.
Silica, yes sir.
So
Encrusted with silica.
Sir, what is the importance of silica? Why these are all plants contained in the silica, sir?
The silica is this plant is storage the epidermal cell storage the silica. So that's why this give a rough structure.
Yes.
And that is the one important xerophytic
so
character.
These are all the plants are contain some rough like structures.
Yes.
So why means it is contain the silica.
Silica.
That's why it is a rough like structure.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, sir. Next.
Sir. Yes. Coming to the internal structure.
Yes, sir.
So we will see the first stem.
Okay.
So this is the stem TS, and here the roughly this is wavy and it containing ridges and furrows.
Yes.
Here these are the ridges and furrows. The equisetum appears wavy in outline, so it containing the ridges and furrows.
Sir.
The epidermal cell was thick and they are the cuticularized, that is a silica layer is present in the epidermal layer, and stomata here, here and there stomata are furrows. They are called as the sunken stomata.
Yes. Sir, what is the meaning of in sunken stomata, sir?
So they are the present in the furrows.
Yes. Okay. Okay.
సో గుంటలలో అంటాం మనం,
Yes.
దిగబడిన పత్తర రంధ్రాలు అంటాం,
ఎపిడర్మిస్ క్రింది భాగంలో కలిగి ఉంటాయి. Okay.
సో దిస్ ఈస్ ది ఐడెంటిఫికేషన్ క్యారెక్టర్ ఆఫ్ xerophytes
Yes.
generally.
Okay.
That means due to reduce the loss of water.
Okay. Okay.
So that's the adaptation
Yes.
of
Yes. This is of xerophytic character
xerophytic
generally.
adaptation.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And the hypodermis also sclerenchyma is there. The in hypodermis, the sclerenchyma patches are there, and the cortex is two types, that is outer and inner. The outer cortex is chlorenchymatous and inner is parenchymatous. And here the characteristic feature is the having the valvular canals and carinal canals. So in between they are containing air cavities and are there present.
Means valvular canals is contains
Air.
airs. Okay.
Yes,
This
sir.
is also one of the identification characters of an
Characters of the
equisetum.
equisetum.
Okay, sir.
And the stele is generally the ectofloic siphonostele.
Okay.
That means phloem is in outside of the stele, and the epidermis is followed by single layered pericycle.
Okay, sir.
Okay, this is the stem. This is very identification characters. Here the it shows the xerophytic as well as the hydrophytic features,
Okay.
adaptations. So we will see the xerophytic having the ridges and furrows in the stem. That means it is a very rough in structure, and deposition of silica in epidermal cells,
Okay.
and the sunken stomata, and the sclerenchymatous hypodermis, and there are the reduced scaly leaves, and the photosynthetic tissue is very less in this stem, and the as well as the hydrophytic features are, it is well developed aerating system like carinal canals and valvular canals, and the reduced vascular elements.
What is the special characteristic of hydrophytic feature, sir?
As having carinal canals and valvular
Valvular canals is
Canals.
there. So
Yes,
that
sir.
is a hydrophytic characters. So second one, that is a xerophytic characters means that is in so sunken stomata is there.
and thick epidermis.
Yes, that's why here we are looking two
Both-
type of
both,
both character. One is a xerophytic and some is a hydrophytic character.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Next one.
So these are the special adaptations we see only this equisetum, because they are the living fossil.
Okay.
So they are for long time so adjust to the environment.
Okay.
They adapted both
Both structures. They are
structures.
adopted both structures, xerophytic
As well
and
as the
hydrophytic.
hydrophytic.
That's why we are saying here it is in this is in
sir,
so
only
living fossil plant.
fossil. Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is the only genus present in this class.
Okay, entire pteridophyte
Entire
group, sir?
pteridophyte, yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Then coming to the Equisetum root TS.
Okay.
So here the normal it is differentiated into epidermis, cortex and stele. The epidermis consists of elongated cells and having outer cortex. So the sclerenchyma is there, outer cortex, and inner is parenchymatous, and it is the protostele, the simple type, and the large metaxylem is there, and it shows the protoxylem, phloem, and the center pith is present. So it is a diarch to tetrarch condition is there.
Sir, this is which type of steel, sir? Mean generally the pteridophytic groups are two type of steels is there.
So,
One is the protosteel, second one is siphonosteels.
yes, sir, protosteles.
Here these are protosteels.
Yes, sir.
So, sir, how can we recognize in protosteels?
Xylem is covered by phloem.
Yes, xylem surrounded by the phloem.
Phloem.
So,
This simple
this is a primitive.
character.
Yes, sir. Okay, next one, sir.
So coming to the reproduction, sir.
Okay.
So reproduction takes place by vegetative and asexual reproduction. So the vegetative reproduction by tubers and primordia, branch primordia. So the here and there the stem containing rhizome containing these tubers.
Okay.
Okay. So when they detached from this rhizome, they developed into a
Automatically it's a produce new plant.
new plant.
Okay, sir.
And the primordia also, the branch primordia, that means tip of the branch. So when it will detach to the plant, they also develop into a
New plant.
vegetative plant.
Okay, sir.
Okay. This is the Equisetum asexual reproduction by spores.
Okay.
Okay, sir. The spores are formed in the specialized structure that is called as sporangium.
Okay.
It is in the strobilus or cone. So it is containing the main axis and containing sporangiospores. Each sporangiospore containing 5 to 10 sporangium.
Okay.
This sporangium is apical layer is there. So and inner the sporogenous tissue is present. So each sporogenous is so some cells containing the spore mother cells, and they divide into divide and produce the spores, haploids. Generally, the sporophyte is general plant is diploid.
Okay.
So that's why the spore mother cell also it is a diploid,
Okay.
and it
Generally, sir, generally the plant it is diploid.
diploid.
But the spores are haploid.
Haploid.
Okay. This is a special type of. Okay,
Yes.
sir.
Here the meiosis will take place in the spore mother cell,
Okay.
and they give rise to spore tetrads. Okay. So then when the rupture of the sporangium will take place, the spores are developed into the outside, and they will give rise to the gametophyte. Okay. So the gametophyte, the spore is the haploid structure,
Okay.
and the first cell of the next phase of gametophytic phase.
Generations.
Okay. So the gametophyte is like this.
Sir, here generally two type of generations. The
Yes.
spores are produced to gametophytic.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So these gametophytes are produced next to gametes.
Gametes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So now this is a gametophyte.
Yes, gametophyte. So here, this is the rhizoids are there in lower side, and it is divided into many parts. And here the reproductive structures are having antheridia and archegonia are produced.
Antherida is a male reproductive organ.
Archegonia
Archegonia
is
it is
the
a female
female
reproductive
reproductive
organ. Yes.
So we will see the first the archegony. Okay. So the mature archegonism is containing the venter
Okay.
in the gametic phase, and it is it is containing the neck. So neck divided into neck canal cells, and this is the neck canal cells, and venter having venter canal cell and egg cells.
Yes, archegonia is divided in three categories, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
one it is venter canal cells, neck canal cells, and so cover cells.
Cover
in
cells.
between the venter canal cells, we are looking at the egg cells.
Egg cells.
Yes, egg
And-
cells means it is a female reproductive organ.
Organ.
So these type of produced in gametophytes.
Gametophytes.
Yes, sir. Next
Sir,
one, sir.
and the next is archegony,
Oh, sir.
antheridium. So this is the male reproductive structure,
Okay.
and this is a jacket layer is there. Near it is a look like a round structure.
Okay.
So this is the jacket layer, and this is sporogenous tissue. So androgonal cells, and some one here cell containing the spore mother cells or androgonial mother cell, and it is divided
So
into
means antheridia, which is the contain the cells, we call that is androgonial mother cells.
mother cells.
Okay, sir.
And they metamorphosis into androcytes. So these are the multiflagellate and the sperm cell, what we call as androcyte or sperm cell.
Okay.
It containing many flagella.
Flagellas.
Yes.
Many flagellas.
And elaters also present.
Sir,
So-
what elaters?
Yes, sir.
So what is the special characters
Yes, they are
of
the
elater?
band-like structures. They are the help in the, they are sterile,
Okay.
but they are the help in the dispersal of the sperms,
Okay, okay.
spores.
Yes, yes.
Yes. Here the after completion of this androcytes, what happened? Fertilization will take place. Okay, sir. This fertilization, what
Means
happened?
after the completing
Yes.
entire the development, when the spores are comes to outside the androgonial,
Cells.
so antheridium structures.
Structure,
Okay.
and they swim into the archegonium,
Okay.
and it through the lead cells. They are the ruptures all ventral canal cells and lead cells. It became as a passage.
Okay.
So then the underside the fertilize with egg cell, form a zygote, diploid zygote. That is diploid zygote is the first cell of next sporophyte generation.
Means all the anthrozoids is goes to where the female reproductive organ. So when entered the female reproductive organ, it is going to the fertilization.
Fertilization.
After the complete fertilization, formation of the zygote.
Zygote.
Yes, sir. This zygote is produced to the next plant.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Next one, sir.
This zygote will give rise to the sporophyte. That is first they convert into the embryo.
Okay.
So it divide into epibasal and hypobasal, and form eight cells.
Okay.
4 epibasal upper side and hypobasal 4 is lower. So hypobasal give rise to the stem and leaves, whereas hypobasal give rise to the roots. So okay, that's the new sporophyte will give rise. Okay, sir.
Yes.
So this is the
Means after the fertilizations, okay. So then it is divided into equal parts. One is the basal cell, second one is the upper cells.
upper cell.
So,
So
how
basi-
much of meta-division is going on? That much of development you are looking in that one.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay.
So this is the life cycle of Equisetum. Your Equisetum, so 2 stages are there. One is Equisetum sporophyte, and one is gametophyte.
Gametophytic
Yes,
stage.
yes.
Sir.
This sporophyte is diploid in condition and normal plant, dominant plant. So natural plant, okay, and it containing the strobilus, okay. So fertile branch having the
Means
strobilus.
the sporophyte is contained the strobilus.
Strobilus,
Yes. Where is the fertile branches is there?
there.
That section is contained only strobilus.
Strobilus.
Yes.
The strobilus containing sporangiophores.
Okay.
In sporangiophore, each sporangiophore containing 5 to 10 sporangia.
Okay.
So yes, we have that spore mother cells. Here the reduction division take place.
Okay.
So spore mother cell give rise to the spores with elaters. Okay. So they are attached with the androcytes for spreading, and these spores will haploid structure. So these give rise to the haploid gametophyte.
After gametophytic stage.
Gametophyte
Means
is the-
sporophytic generation is produced through the gametophytic generation.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
And this gametophyte is the very haploid in nature, and it is independent but temporary.
Okay.
Okay.
Means sporophyte depending on gametophyte.
yes.
Gametophyte is an independent plant.
one, independent.
Okay.
So here the gametophyte produce after 30 to 50 days, they produce male and female sex organs. In dioecious are separate. In monoecious they are the both formed in the same plant. Here the archegonia will give rise to the egg cell and antheridium, and will anthrozoid, and they are the participate in the fertilization, give rise to zygote, and here the zygote give rise to embryo and give rise to the Equisetum sporophyte. That means the Equisetum sporophyte give rise to the gametophyte, and gametophyte give rise to the sporophyte.
Sporophyte means
That
alternation of
yes,
generations.
Yes, alternation of
Generation. Sporophyte is produced to the gametophyte.
Yes,
So gametophyte is produced to the sporophyte.
yes, sir.
Sporophyte that is often diploid plant. The haploid plants are sporophyte?
Yes.
So gametophyte it is in haploid plant. Means it is gametophyte is produced to the antheridia and archegonias.
Archegonia.
Okay, both together form a sporophytic stage.
Here sporophyte asexually give rise to the gametophyte,
Yes,
and it is sexually reproduced and gives rise to the sporophyte.
Sporophytic stage.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So this is picture.
Equisetum of life cycles.
Yes. So this is the sporophyte, a normal plant.
Okay.
So this is the external plant. So root, stem, and rhizome. These are the sterile and the fertile and sterile branches. Here the strobilus, sporangiospores, spores and having the elaters, and they give rise to the gametophyte. So gametophyte is this is the independent one and short-lived. So this having rhizoids as well as the antheridia archegonia. So here the antheridia gives rise here the androzytes, okay, and the archegonia gives the egg, and fertilization gives rise to the this sporophyte, young sporophyte, and this develop into the again sporophyte. This is the alternation of generations. This is the Equisetum life cycle. Okay.
Sir, why you are saying this is a living fossil plant?
Sir, is distincted with internodes and nodes, and in which they are both xerophytic and hydrophytic adaptations are there.
Okay.
So long time it sustained due to this only. So in another in Pteridophyta is Pinopsida in this group, only this genus only available.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. This plant only available. This genus only available. So you are saying me here it is in living fossil plant.
Out of one genus only 25 species are available.
Okay.
So the common is Equisetum aravens.
Okay, sir. Sir, what is the special types? Here any special type is there in the reproduction system? So if not, how can we recognize it? So when I am going to under microscope, so how can we recognize it to the Equisetum stem? Sir,
Yes.
please, sir.
Yes, sir. The Equisetum is very stem is very wavy and hard in nature. So that's why it's containing many ridges and furrows. It is wavy in nature, and silica due to silica deposition, the external is very hard in nature. So and not only that, these ridges and furrows are there. Okay.
Ridges and furrows is there in that one.
Yes, that is the identification character. Here the in ridges for more strength. So under the ridges, that is sclerenchymatous patches are present, and where is furrows, it containing sunken stomata. So in beneath the sunken stomata only we have vallicular canals.
So what is the special type? What is the special characters of vallicular canals, sir?
They are the air containing empty places in the cortex, and this is for the clear aeration and as well as the water scarcity or water management adaptation. So this is the main adaptation of this, and with
this is also one type of identification characters of an Equisetums.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, and
so here we are looking the big size of cell-like structures.
yes, sir. And this is the this is well grown in the Carboniferous period or very long time. So with this study of this Equisetum, we know that the adaptation, how plants adaptations from since long time. Okay. So because that's why it containing both hydrophytic and xerophytic adaptations only, the plant survive from long period. So this genus, the character feature, this genus still it as a living fossil due to only. So the specific characters of stem.
Yes, sir. Here this root is contain the protostele.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. So stem is contain the siphonostele. So the both type of steels you are looking in
Yes,
this
yes,
one.
sir. Yes, sir. This is
So
fundamental.
here the siphono steel, that is in advance.
Advance.
Yeah.
Yes.
Proto steel, it is in primitive.
Primitive.
Yeah.
Both
Both structure we are looking
yes,
in
sir.
this
Yes,
one.
sir. Yes, sir.
So Equisetum plant.
Plant.
Yes, sir. So any special characters, is there identification characters is there, sir, in this one?
Root.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yeah, the root are very slender and branched, and they are the yes, sir, similar to other roots, but
Okay.
the protosteel.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you very
Right,
much,
sir.
sir.
Right,
Nice
sir.
presentation, sir. Equisetum life cycles.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you very much, sir.